Asa zvikurambwa zvacho here?
And they sell hard drugs. When they go those artists, so I'm not one because it is illegal. No, let me tell you something. Why is why is he injured? Why? Because it's drugs. And there's a lot of people who got deported because of these drugs. And he was caught up in the web. Yes, but it's nothing to do with regular people, but drugs are not part of. So in other words, our own dancehall here in Zimbabwe, it's associated with drugs. Yes. What are they hard drugs? Some of them who can afford it. Do you know how much it is to buy a gram of, say, cocaine? I don't know, but I know some of them are. I'm not going to mention. From my research, cocaine was between $80 and $100. Yeah, but like what I'm saying, there are guys who are buying a case a day. And it costs $100 a day. And they take it in the street and they buy it for their own consumption. I mean, that person must be making a lot of money. They are making a lot of money, but they're day on they're fucking it. That's what they're do you do? I don't know. Do you smoke? Yeah, I smoke weed, but I smoke it as levels. What recreational? Can you elaborate? Weed or without drugs? Yeah, but weed, I can still do my business. I don't need weed, especially when I'm working. I don't need weed when I'm playing music. All right.
When you come to Zimbabwe, you pay Canada, you can't buy weed.
No, you can buy weed. Every country is weed. I go to Amsterdam, I smoke weed legally. Yeah. In a shop. In Amsterdam, it's legal. In a shop.
Here in Zimbabwe,
it's not about lot of weed. It's about
weed.
No, it's wait. You research and do what I mean. I don't need weed to do anything. I don't depend on weed. You can do your work without checking it. Because I haven't been smoking weed for 10 years. It's something that I can go try on. But it's preferred. I can go days without smoking weed. That's disgusting. Ndichitotenga ndirini. Ndichitotengera vanhu kuti vapute. But at the same time, unoona mwe munhu achiuda kuita inini ndiri kusupply weed. No. Kusupply weed. Ndakatosvika vanhu vachitosupply vega wapana vacho. Handitomboencourage kuti vasmoke. This see, bronchial here. South Africa is not as popular as Zimbabwe. And it's not as popular as Mbare, Hughes, Parkerson. Those 4 places. Don't are really popular. If you go to DZ,
got this HK.
No, those guys are soft, man. My band, they don't do the drugs.
They don't do drugs.
They're too dumb.
Saka not get my drugs in the bar.
Bambi, even if you my drugs, you don't want to more band. You don't want to get married, but you don't want to more band. It's okay.
Can you define with the balance? She should not have the balance.
Are slow. I know. What you to go to bed and you to town. Just some town or Tangat town. But cannot it's so sugar. Turned out I get something.
All right.
Toto meeting something. Itaso. Mimi ndakakutaura kuti takumbopinda kana kuti tada kuita zvezviti kana. Matoziva zvandataura, but iye anenge asikazivi zvandataura. Ngatizi aripo, totopedza zvatikutotaura. Ende zvetinototamba.
No, point taken. All right. No, tell me what. You are an authority on this Zimdancehall.
I'm notorious.
Not an authority.
I'm not. I don't own anybody. I am a person who
But
has freedom of speech.
No. By saying you're an authority, I mean you know this genre of music that you're talking about.
You know what's the authority? Zimbabwe told you. No, that's an authority. I'm a notorious person in Zimbawe.
I'm notorious.
Yes, I speak my mind. I don't care if that person.
You don't mince your words.
No, if that person don't like what I'm speaking, I can defend myself. Whether they are here or if they make their interview, I can still defend myself.
Any chance of you any chance of seeing you promoting, one of these
I was the first person to promote Chodza.
$50.
Pastor that first guy who actually gave him money. Yes. I'm the first person to promote a killer team. Shumpa man. Before my time, I passed a which is this is fire. Those Saka, if killer team are the man, they won't know that part because I don't know what I don't.
All right. Where do you see this Zimdancehall music? Say in the next 5 years.
I got to suffer for 3 years.
Yeah, man. Bubblegum music.
I understand the bubblegum music, but they are running out of ideas. Because every song knows what happens in Goma. This time, there's my words.
What does your groups?
Like, when you talk vibes, you came with a different vibe.
Which vibe you are trying to play?
No, before that.
Before
that. But my music wasn't produced by one person. It was scattered.
We are getting
Chisport, body slam, and he captured my heart and my feelings.
Okay.
Unaji reads talking vibes. Hey, why don't you read that volume? But what is a soldier love? You know it's what is a soldier love? One hour I never could see the other. Hakuna chimwe chavanenge what is a talking vibes there? Right now at the moment, what is a killer tea? Probably one
because I read.
Yes. Killer tea.
All right. No, to wrap it up, if I'm to ask you to combine, top 10 songs that are doing currently on Zimdancehall scene, what is your top 10?
Top 15, Killer Tea album. That's it. Top 15, Baba number 1, who should have been
true that was.
I'm going to number 2, I'm going to number 6.
Yes,
I'm number 1.
Read that in Murehwa kana akapela Killer Tea.
Yeah?
Killer Tea number.
Itandiwoni.
Shamari zacho hapa.
Itandiwoni.
Anokuda sama Maria.
Anzi uchazoona kukosha kwechikoro
Varasabvura.
unozoti
Message yakairi targeted
nyaya ndeyekunzi swallow if you have pride. Sometimes usangoramba ungozviti ndini vanhu vaya vachazokusiya amuzive inini personally vanhu vaidzikisira kilati kana vakasvika musapoti vakazozviona manje kuti anogona.
Aiwa kilati agara akaipa.
Pane vamwe vangasvika
makaroagana zakagara
pane vamwe vanga kusapasaidi vose vamapinda muartist anogona.
Alright, pazimdancehall
manje ungoramba tina kilati but pane chibaba uyu ndichairman because makati chibaba hatingambotora title yemunhu. Chibaba sota lava ubanditi secolors kilati chairman kina mino ndakanyembera vanhu se pakazonzi Mr. Mbare Mr. Mbare sei zvakanzi Mr. Mbare munhu
akabva ukanoma
ina ndokanoma ndakataura nemunhu ndakataura nemunhu wakadzidza naye chifana
anozvivamba
mubvunzo
kokugeto kunokubara kazvibira
kina takamusapota maximum support kana bvunzeka takamusapota but eno zvaakangokanganisa akakutanga kuti vhairira isusu vhairira kana zvatikuita inaremi ana sojalava vanouya ana kilati vanouya na sekala totaura nawo we can talk kina even wanda maapproach aso anoita kunetsa kana kuita sei.
I thought he was easy.
He's not that easy going. Ask munhu ari easy kutaura naye.
Aukanganwa doctrine.
Yes. Usavhairire vanhu kana uri artist. Maisi. Because at the same time kana uri vhairire nyika.
Nafani.
Inini I'm a part of your fan. You don't know what I'm going to say after. Inini ndakaona chibaba chichipura napa angotsumudza roketsi. That
abati chibaba asuzumudza roko.
Anoridza nebhero.
Aiwa, chibaba anochipura chibaba. Anochida iso chibaba.
Kilati akauya uchisema motikari yake odhila nevanhu vanenge varipo paposition. Secolors is the same.
But like in terms of the idea behind how Zimbabwe is to take their agendas forward and trying to put some discipline in Zimbabwe. Because as far as I'm concerned, we're looking at a multi-million industry that can even bring in forex for the country.
Those guys are bringing more forex than probably a lot of people.
Exactly.
Because a lot of business people in Zimbabwe, they're actually taking out foreign currency. When these young people are going to South Africa, went to UK, what is also, then they bring it here. Tongo to Kilati and UK, you bring in maybe £3,000. And but there is a plan. He is one guy. It's a toll. Here in a national man wins £6,000. But there's a plane that leaves Zimbabwe with 157 people. Each of those 157 people are carrying $10,000.
They're externalizing.
Yes. So the economy of Zimbabwe is Kuda. Isu says, I am a tourist. I've been telling people I'm a tourist. Do you believe that?
Yeah, you've been foreign based.
No. Do you believe it or not?
I do.
How? How do you know I'm a tourist?
You are a tourist.
How do you?
I'm sure you've traveled.
No. I use a Canadian passport.
He's paying a visa.
Visa they put on that thing makes you tourist. They don't
Oh,
ask
so
it.
you've attained Canadian
Yes.
citizenship.
When these guys go to Europe, they're actually going to work. They are foreign based.
Any chance of seeing you taking those youngsters on a tour?
No. I'm not even telling you.
So you want to invest in Zimbabwe?
No, inini changu chete ndechokoti ngavatore mari kune mabhanu nematsaka. Ndo nyaya yangu iyi. Vapana torai mari kune matsaka. Itai basa.
All right.
Inini hapana chinyowani. Let me tell you that. Inini hapana chinyowani chinobva nevapana kaisirasi.
Exactly.
But kune vanhu vari ku-UK ka zvinhu zvese zvinenge
But you are there to guide them.
And I'm not there. I'm there to uplift their talent.
Uplift them.
I'm not guiding them.
What about putting one of them on your own mentoring program?
No. Vapana vakaoma musoro ava. Kana kutaura
Vakaoma musoro kabisa.
wekuvapa ma-advice vane makuru avo musoro dzavo dzinobhinza vamwe vacho maiziyaki vapana ava havasi kumbodhila navo zvedzunguka havadizunguka ende havadi kurara havadi vuka wangorara vanofanira vanokunyadzisa ndikukutaurira because vapana vane ma-managers. Ma-managers, they are not there to uplift the talent. They are there to tell you good. Kila tia kuta
They're for money.
They're taking money.
My Benjamin.
Taura na manager. In any match,
I experienced this very same thing that you told me. There's a wonder of the press. You can get all you say,